Here are 3 websites that can enable you cash out just the way you cash out from Pi. So forget about Pi if you did not make money from Pi. All right. So now the number 3 of these apps that I want to show to you, or website, is the most important. All right. And then they are all swapping. You can all cash out from the 3 of them. Now let's start with the first one. Now the first one now is called Ecox. Now Ecox has already started swapping. So when you're mining, you'll be mining green power, and then after a while you can swap that green power to what we call ACX. All right, you just have to click on claim reward. Immediately you click on claim reward, like you can see now, in the next 10 hours I can come back. I have accumulated 145.56 green power. All right, and then as you can see, also there are places where you can also do your referral. As you can see, these are my earnings, 144.96. As you can see, remember guys, on this app you have to do KYC for you to be able to swap your ECX to green power. Now see, you can send, you can receive, you can deposit, but I'm not advising anyone to deposit. Go ahead, send, receive, and then swap. Probably you can sell. So these are my history. As you can see on Ecox, this is something that when you start on time, you're definitely going to make money. See, I've referred 11 referrals, which is direct referral, and they've given me 15 GP for one of them. All right, so when you have indirect referral, you're going to have like 10 GP. All right, so the next app is called Pawns.app. Now Pawns.app gets you $3 just for you to sign up. If you use my referral link to sign up, you're going to get $1, and then as time goes on, it will be increasing. Now you're going to do a survey just to check your profile. That survey, they pays you 20 cents. That's how I got this $1.20 that you're seeing on my dashboard. All right, that's how I got what you're seeing on my dashboard. So guys, if this sounds like what is very interesting for you, do subscribe, all right, to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss my next update. Now this is history, how I got that $1.20 profile update, like a survey, and then referral earnings. All right, these are other places that you can get spin to add to your coins. All right, now let me show you the minimum withdrawal from this website. Now the minimum withdrawal from this website is $5, guys, $5, and it's all over different countries. As you can see, these are countries I'm scrolling to show you, so you can choose to withdraw from Bitcoin, Visa, whatever it is, but I prefer to use the cryptocurrency, which is a Bitcoin. As you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is what? $5, guys. So if I make up to $5 possible, then you can cash out your withdrawal direct. All right, it is tested and trusted, so there is no way that you should be scared. So finally, the last app, which is number 3 app that I said I'm going to show you, is called MEPASS. Yes, I've done video about this, but I realized that people are really making it. Yes, so for my new audience, if this is the first time you're coming across the channel, do subscribe so that you get updates like this. All right, so let me tell you about MEPASS. Now, first of all, let's log into the website. All right, I'm just going to put in my email or my password to log in. So immediately I log into the website, what's going to happen is going to show me the dashboard. Now for this dashboard, as you can see, I have already accumulated 2.212, all right, of the MEPASS. Now this website will only allow you to mine after you do your KYC. That is, you get, they call it Me ID. But let me show you how to mine. Just click on this claim reward. All right, it's going to load. Then you hit that check in today. Right, when you check in today, you're just going to type in exactly the words you see there. You repeat it according to the way it is sampled there. So immediately you complete it, you're just going to hit on check in today. So it's going to load, and then it's going to check you in. It's trying to check you in now. So immediately it checks you in, it's going to indicate that you mined for the day. So some hours later, it's going to prompt you to come back and mine. All right, so by this, you're accumulating your MEPASS. All right, remember I said on this website you need to get your MEPASS ID. All right, MEPASS ID. Let me show you how it looks like. This is a MEPASS ID. It's just like the KYC verification. So immediately you're done with this, you can go ahead and sell, because they have P2P that is already happening, as in people are cashing out there. So for you to sell, scroll down to the footer of it, click on this explore. All right, when you click on explore, it's going to load a page for you. All right, this green one that's showing transaction, this green color, you click to join. All right, when you hit it, it's going to ask you to log in with your Me transaction ID. That is the same way you're logging to the Me app. All right, so it's going to load. So wait guys, it's loading. So immediately it loads, it's going to take you to a place where you're going to see your me value. That is the value of me. How much is me sold for? All right, so people are already selling it there, so it not depend on you if you're going to say okay you want to sell. But for me, I'm wise enough, I'm going to hold till probably when they launch. All right, as you can see, this is $5.75. That is one me. All right, so imagine you have like 3 of them. That means you already have $15. And this thing is really hot. As you can see, this is P2P. People are selling already. All right, guys, go ahead and try these 3 apps, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because more videos are coming your way. Peace, guys.